Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It is Friday, April 29th, and today we have something that I at least think is kind of special. Because today we're taking a look at something handcrafted in Japan. These are Sony's top-of-the-line headphones, the Z1R. And they're quite heavy. Let's open them up. Alright, so I'm going to do my best to fit them in frame the whole time I'm opening them, because they are actually quite a bit larger than I was expecting. But as I said, these are Sony's top-of-the-line headphones. I've been wanting to get my hands on them for a while now, and Amazon had a pretty good deal on them the other day, so I was like, alright, let's finally bite the bullet and pick these up. These, again, are handmade in Japan. There's a very, very small team at Sony that's actually allowed to make these. I don't know how many of them they've actually made, but every single one of them is hand numbered with a serial number that is actually sequential. So I'm kind of excited to see what number I've got, because these have been out for I think at least 5 years. These were part of Sony's signature series. They're actually on sale right now, so I don't know if they're planning on getting rid of them or what the plans are, but here's a look at the back side of them. The design of these is kind of what is floating around on the internet right now, that a lot of media seem to think the next version of the 1000X are going to look like, the Mark V. I have the 1000X Mark IV. I love them, but I also like hearing everything in my audio. And while Bluetooth has gotten quite good over the years, you do still lose a bit of quality on it. My Sonos are nice, but if I'm working at my desk, I might as well just plug in headphones. So, oh good God, let me see if I can figure out how to take this out of here. Yeah, Sony kind of went all in on the presentation with these. So we've got a little protective bag there that I'm going to see. All right, I might just have to turn this upside down and do this with. So let's see, these were manufactured in November of last year, it looks like on the box there. And so I have a lot of protective wrapping on these. Oh, there's actually handles here. That's hilarious. That's definitely something Sony would think of, or really just anyone in Japan that actually gives a crap about what they're making. Let me see. I don't want to rip this bag because this is actually a very nice bag that's protective for the case. So we may just have to do this. All right, there we go. Yeah. So these really show that they are handcrafted and that they are top of the line. Oh, there's something rattling around. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. As I was saying about handcrafted and top of the line, I hear something rattling around in the box and or bag, and yeah, that's actually the latch to the box. That's not a good sign. Yes, hi Gigi. Excuse me. Can I have you scooch over there? Hi. Yeah. Cats, what can you do? This is the box that they come in, and this is wrapped in leather. Yeah, I don't know if I can actually reattach this latch or not. Oh, okay, let's not do that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a very small screwdriver to try and screw this latch back in, because that's definitely a clean break. That's a little worrying, but yeah, there's the rest of the latch. It's magnetic. It should be screwed in there, or you might be able to see some damage too. So that is rather unfortunate. I'm gonna set this aside before I lose any part of it. And yeah, so here is the box that they come in. I guess they've actually made and perhaps sold a few of these, because apparently I've got serial number, let's see, 12,367. Cool. But here they are. These are indeed quite large. Yeah, the weight is primarily the box. These actually feel quite lightweight, which is nice. This is all hand-stitched leather. There's a titanium headband in these. They swivel a little bit. That is the inside of them, so rather large drivers. And one thing that I very much like about these, that I miss from my old MDR-Z1R is the hanger there. This is actually kind of difficult to show on camera, but it is notched and numbered. I don't think I'm going to be able to get you a look at that too well, but yeah, these stay in place very well, and you can make sure that you always have the band on the same number, because it's individually notched, and there's a number on all of them, so you can make sure that they're always on the same. The headphones themselves, because these do support a balanced cable, you've got an individual left and right input there. Set that aside. These should be the audio cables, and there's probably a manual in here. Let's see if we can open this up. Yep, so we've got the manual and some information about the Sony Signature series. All that literature is available online, I'm pretty sure, on Sony's website. So we'll kind of skip opening that up. And here we have what looks like it's the balanced audio cable. So you've got your left and right input, and then an L-shaped plug. And, oh, there's a third pocket here. There is the standard audio cable. Again, left and right input, and your typical 3.5mm headphone jack. And like the MDR-Z1, you do have a plug there for the larger audio cable, so I could plug this directly into my home theater amp if I wanted to, which maybe I will do just for giggles. But yeah, there you have it. I'm gonna go find a screwdriver and see if I can't repair the box that these came in, because definitely want to store these in the box they came in, because yeah, these are not cheap. I'll put it that way. But I'm very excited to give them a listen and see how they go. So there you have it. One more thing. I figured I'd show how reattaching the latch to the box went, just in case you also managed to get a box where somehow the screws have been completely ripped out of it. I have no idea how in the world it managed to happen like that, because yeah, the screw holes are fine, the screws went back in just fine. So if we kind of move things around here, so the latch has two little black screws here. Thankfully they were still relatively attached when I got the latch, but you can see there's definitely some dirt from the wood and stuff there. Just pops in pretty easily. The holes were pre-drilled. That's what the latch looks like when it's down. And hopefully I've aligned this right so that the case will actually close, which we'll give a try here. Let's see, that sounded okay. And latch-wise, that looks pretty lined up, and it's magnetic. All right, cool. Latch is fixed. So there you have it. It's the Z1R. I'm going to go plug these in and start giving things a listen. Thanks again for watching.